Volcano experiment. Hi friends, today we are demonstrating the volcano experiment. For this experiment we need some baking soda and we need a bottle of vinegar and some food coloring. First we take the spoon and fill it with the baking soda. Three spoons of baking soda. And we take the food coloring, 1 spoon of food coloring. And then we shake it. Then we take the keef and put it on the bottle again. And take the bottle of vinegar and fill it in the bottle and see what happens then. So friends, the experiment is completed now. Friends, of the end of this video, click the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.